So you want to know how to change the pump on a GX unit or a Magnum ProX unit. So what you can buy is the ProXchange pump. Dead easy to do. It's for 5-minute job max. And if you've got one of these pumps in the van, you're going to get back up running, spraying in no time. If you want to see more videos on the GX units, I'll pop a link up here, this side or this side, and there'll be a review on the GXff, how to change the pressure dial, and this video on how to change the pump. So first off, we're going to take the hopper off. Just need to undo the nut or the suction pipe if it's one of the suction pipe models. Take that away. You might get a bit of spillage, so have a little cloth. Tilt it backwards. Flaps there. If you lift them out and push down, the flap opens and that'll release the pump. Give it a little wiggle and out it comes. So this is going to be the part we're changing with that bit. And the GX units have got these built-in sections so we can actually unscrew. Flick that back up. I'm going to get the pump. I'm going to find a slot that it fits. Fits in that one. And there we go. Undo. And then just undo the pump out of there. Be careful when you take this out, there's a little compression spring. You do get a new one in the pack. It's not attached to the piston. So that's what's come out. There's the compression spring. So we open our pack. So there's the new one. Take that black plastic cover off, and there's your new compression spring. Keep the spring on, hold the pump upside down, and then just thread it in. Get it hand tight until you can't do it anymore. Get it in the frame. There we go, that's tight. I'm going to tip it back up, lift those flaps up, push down, releases the chamber. Ooh. 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 Well, you want the grey bit, the grey plastic shield at the bottom. Line it up. Just need to turn it around because I can't see. Those two go on those two prongs. If the piston's too far out, just push it in a little bit, because it sits, the piston head sits below there, so it goes in there and below. It needs to go down just a fraction. There we go. In. Hopper on. And it's as simple as that. As I say, you're looking at like a 5-minute job. Only thing is, if you've got it full of paint and it goes, you might just have to put a few sheets down. And that's going to be the dirtiest part really, taking the hopper or the suction pipe off. Apart from that, this one had luckily been flushed through with water, so it's not too bad, but dead easy. 5-minute job and we'll get you up and running in no time. If you found the video helpful, hit the like, smash subscribe, all those things help the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next one.